pinaka-evident, of course, makikita nyo dito, is yung kanilang mga sili. Okay. Cheers! Nanababaw kabalen, kung sakay po may Miss Louie. For today's vlog, another box from TeamCanlas TV. Let's go! Wow, look at this, guys. Yan, kaya tayo. Yun, so guys, if you remember last time na-feature na rin natin si TeamCanlas TV dito sa Pampanga. So they are actually popular in YouTube. Go check out their YouTube, guys. Isa sa mga naging sikat nilang video is when they cook this cochinillo. Knowing them, guys, na being such a generous people, nagpadala ulit sila ng cochinillo, which is this one. If you remember, naalala nyo, guys, ganito yung ginawa natin dun sa first vlog natin eh. Let me see if we can do it again. Whoa! What? Ulo. The same experience, napaka crunchy, nababad yung kamay ko doon. Napaka-crunchy. Now, they sent us an upgrade. Actually, they sent us, sabi ni sa atin, this is an upgrade, a level up 2.0 ng kanilang spices, ng kanilang ingredient. Dahil nga, nagustuhan ng mga kababayan natin, taga Manila, taga Nueva Ecija, from Bataan, nag-upgrade sila para mas masiyahan po yung mga customer natin. Sa ating mga taga Pampanga, hindi na natin kailangan dumayo pa sa Maynila upang umorder kay Chef Marvin. Anyway, so guys, this is from TeamCanlas TV. So they have 4 different kinds of dips. This is the pink sauce. Yan. You know this. Pink sauce. Meron din tayong Prik, which is, sabi nila sa akin, guys, o-order yung mga ibang tao just for the Prik. Pangalawa na lang yung lechon. Cause this one right here, this is out of this place. I don't know how they do it, pero one of the best sausawan ng lechon. And of course, yung traditional natin, the sarsa. Ayan, so this is the sarsa, this is the sarsa. The other one is just spicy. Okay, let me go taste this one. Oh, look at that. Para siyang chicken joy. Still got the tail here. Oh, man. Ibang klaseng experience to, brother. Thank you so much, Sir Chester and family, for being such a generous. Una ko munang titikman tong Prik. Wow, look at this. Ano kayang so many in it. There's so many in it. Pinaka-evident, of course, makikita nyo dito, is yung kanilang mga sili. Okay, cheers! Wow! Yaman na. Now, just to give you spoiler, yung Prik nila is para siyang vinegar base. It's still sour. Kung tutuusin, it's not comparable to a sarsa like this. But yung pinaka-vinegar nila has so many ingredients. Some chili, some onion leeks, I think. Still onion, meron ding mga iba-ibang klaseng seasoning. It's very evident if you check out this. Okay, enough with the talk. Let's taste it. Look at that. Balik tayo dito sa chicken joy natin. And I was just joking, pero let's try this sarsa. This one is the regular sarsa. This one is a spicy blend. Look at that. When you go for this kind of lechon, notice that it is ito yung parang mga piglet. You'll definitely anticipate na itong klaseng mga pork na ginamit ay less in, you know, that white fat. So almost skin, and then diretso na dun sa meat. Almost. For those who are traditional lechon Kapampangan lovers, I think they're gonna go for this one. Ito yung talagang well-known na sausawan natin sa Pampanga kapag nagle-lechon tayo, guys. Isa sa mga hinihingi talaga natin to sa mga nagle-lechon yung sarsa. As an option, this is available, guys. Ito, available po siya dito. And we're still gonna dip another batch of lechon meat. Wow. Okay, another batch of pork skin, lechon skin dito sa kanilang white sauce. So, ayan. So, itong kanilang white sauce naman is almost, I think 90% of the ingredient here is parang itong red onion or yung pink onion. Okay, yung base pa rin natin is vinegar. Sour siya. Grabe. At the end of the day, grabing onion naman to. Look at this. Diba? But if you are to ask me, guys, I'm still gonna go for this Prik. This is, like I told you, hindi siya parang normal na sausawan dito sa Pampanga or even in the Philippines. But this is available po sa TeamCanlas TV. This is one of their secret trades kung bakit talaga mabili yung kanilang cochinillo. So this time, guys, susubukan natin ubusin to in just 10 minutes. If you're just gonna be with me, subukan natin. Baka kaya natin, di ba? Let's count down in 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, grabe naman. Hindi ko naman talaga gagawin yun, guys. Siyempre, as a, father of this household, I'm gonna share this with my family. Guys, if you are interested to taste this one, kung natakam ko kayo, guys, and gusto nyo talagang tikman tong Prik plus cochinillo, tawag na po kayo. Make sure to order, lalong-lalo na it's bare months. So make sure to, reserve your slot. Reserve your order with TeamCanlas TV. We're gonna be flashing their numbers as well as social media channel where you can actually connect with them. Whoa! So there you have it, guys. Let me ask you guys, which part of the Lechon Cochinillo are you gonna enjoy most kung titikman nyo to sa bahay? Leave them at the comment section, guys. And if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace. Bye-bye.